Can you do that again? Here goes Jonah. I think today's the first day that Talia has been swimming all by herself. All right, Jonah, watch out. Okay, let's see. Wow. Hey, Talia, can you swim over here? Hey, good job. Good job. What a good swimmer. Whoa, you gonna swim over to the ladder? That's kind of far. Wanna try it? Wow, you did it! Yay!
That was really good.
Well, here she is. She's 4 years old and she's swimming. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, here goes Jonah. He's practicing his dive.
I'm practicing my dive too.
Ooh, nice and quiet. Nice move, dude.
That was weird. Like a slow motion dive. Stop that and do a backwards dive. Stop! Try backwards dive.
Wow, good job.
I started twisting in the water there.
She's already been jumping in for a long time.
I need to go to the
Oh, okay. That's the end of that video.